If it. Tomorrow, we will stay home. A. Rains. B. Rain. C. Rained. D. Raining. Correct answer, rains. She said that she. Tired. A. Is. B. Was. C. Were. D. Be. Correct answer, was. The book. By my teacher. A. Is written. B. Wrote. C. Writing. D. Writes. Correct answer, is written. I have been living here 5 years. A. For. B. Since. C. In. D. From. Correct answer, for. He. To the party if he finishes his work. A. Goes. B. Will go. C. Went. D. Gone. Correct answer, will go. This is the man. Helped me. A. Which. B. Who. C. Whom. D. Whose. Correct answer, who. The letter was written. Pen. A. By. B. With. C. In. D. From. Correct answer, with. He speaks English. Then me. A. Good. B. Best. C. Better. D. More good. Correct answer, better. I wish I a car. A. Have. B. Had. C. Has. D. Having. Correct answer, had. The baby. While the mother was cooking. A. Cried. B. Crying. C. Cry. D. Cries. Correct answer, cried. She. Her homework before dinner. A. Finished. B. Finishes. C. Finishing. D. Finish. Correct answer, finished. He said he. Come the next day. A. Will. B. Would. C. Shall. D. Should. Correct answer, would. The train had left before we. A. Arrive. B. Arrived. C. Arriving. D. Arrives. Correct answer, arrived. Neither he nor his friends. Present. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is. D. Are. Correct answer, were. He is taller. His brother. A. Than. B. Then. C. From. D. Of. Correct answer, than.